The Securities and Exchange Board of India has amended the Real Estate Investment Trust Regulations 2014 in order to reduce the minimum application value. SEBI has reduced the minimum application value for REITs to Rs 10,000 and to Rs 15,000 for InvITs, while trading can be done in a lot size of 1 unit. Now let's first briefly understand what is REITs and what does this decision by SEBI mean to you. REITs invest in commercial real estate. They earn rental income from their holdings which is passed on to the investors. It has to distribute 90% of its cash flows to investors at least once in 6 months. Investors also benefit from capital appreciation in the underlying assets. Right now, India has 3 REITs: Embassy Office Parks, Mindspace Business Parks, and Brookfield India Real Estate Trust. The SEBI circular announcing this said, the board considered and approved the amendments to SEBI Real Estate Investment Trust Regulations 2014 and SEBI Infrastructure Investment Trust Regulation 2014 for revision in minimum subscription and trading lot for publicly issued REITs and InvITs. The revised minimum application values shall be within the range of Rs 10,000 to 15,000 and the revised trading lot shall be of 1 unit. Experts believe it is a move in the right direction as it will increase the number of investors in the market and will also boost liquidity.
This is a godsend opportunity for the small investors because, as you know, the yields for the fixed income products are falling down, right? And the REITs is an income generating asset class. We generate income out of it. It's not like a stock where you buy and sell, but so in that case, you'll be getting your rentals of 7 to 8%, which is normally the MSC REITs and the other REITs like Mindspace have maintained that. So in the falling yields, this is a godsend opportunity. And also you can average your cost by buying in single units also.
Experts believe that reducing the minimum application value to Rs 10,000 and reducing the lot size to 1 unit will help attract more investors to REITs. It will also help increase the acceptability of REITs in the minds of a common real estate investor. So in case you have a question on REITs or you want to suggest a topic on real estate to me, do write to me on my Twitter and you can also put a comment in the comment section here. This is Deepak Singh signing off with cameraman Nitin Rajput. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.